Google Sheets may be used to make money from home in a variety of ways. It's an extremely powerful tool. Yet most people are only aware of a fraction of its powers. To help you get started using Google Sheets, here are some ways that can make money from home. To generate a good side income, create sheets for small firms or educate others on how to use the tool for themselves. Simply updating and maintaining 10 sheets or aiding with minor computer issues can earn you between $300 and $500 per month. Google Sheets doesn't need the use of a cutting-edge computer to function. You can be up and running to purchase a low-priced laptop. Create Google Sheets for small businesses. Google Sheets can interface with a number of programs you might encounter when working for small businesses. If a client wishes to keep track of an inventory database or use Google Sheets as their customer database, create spreadsheet templates that will allow them easy access to the data needed. Customize spreadsheet templates for others. If earning $500 per month from editing sheets sounds too good to be true, there's another option if your game is creating spreadsheet templates customized specifically for others, charging a small fee for your work. In addition, providing training on how to use your Google Sheets for themselves will increase the charges you receive. You'd think that most well-established businesses would use computer systems and software to run their operations. But you'd be surprised how many old-fashioned businesses still exist. These are typically very small enterprises maintained by an elderly person who is computer illiterate and unwilling to abandon their traditional accountancy system. Some people are simply oblivious of how important technology is in their personal and professional life. This is the kind of person you should go up to. You might be able to persuade children that computers are more than just complex devices that make life easier. Here are 3 small business examples. 1. Landlords and rental agents. Many small real estate firms and landlords are exclusively based on paper. Plastic folders loaded with photos and scrawled notes are common. Approaching them and giving a sample heat is a great money-making idea that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Before approaching them, you might include a picture of their residences in the spreadsheet to make it look even more impressive. 2. Used automobile mechanics and dealerships. These are always looking for ways to save money, but they don't know how. Once again, get the owner of the business in front of a computer and show them exactly what it is you would be doing for them. If you're truly skilled at this kind of work, there's no reason why you can't make between $300 and $500 every month just by helping out 1 or 2 firms. Hobby and craft stores come in 3rd place. These are some of the most disorganized stores. Many business owners are adamant about not using technology in their daily operations. With a little persuading, a simple money-making concept like an invoicing spreadsheet may make their lives a lot easier. Their accounting is most likely made up of loose documents stuffed into drawers for different products. You can charge money for private sessions. If you already know how to use Google Sheets, why not make some money by teaching it to others? Thousands of adults, primarily in their 40s and 50s, are willing to pay for classes since reading a manual is too tough for them. On Craigslist or another comparable website, you may quickly place a classified ad for your services. This may be a lucrative side job. To persuade individuals to sign up, simply offer a discount or a free trial class. If you are confident in your ability, you will not require any specific qualifications. Make use of Google Drive programs. When working with spreadsheets, some find the above functions to be basic. Nevertheless, you should apply the most efficient tools for organizing your data. A program called Google Tasks is a great way to allocate time and resources for private projects or daily tasks. It's a sort of to-do list that can sync with Outlook calendars without too much hassle. Google Forms are another useful tool to experiment with. This allows individuals to quickly create a survey for different services that they provide as small business owners. You can use the results in order to improve your work from one project to the next. Another feature by Google Docs makes it easy for anyone to ask questions online without any extensive setup required. The program gathers all responses in a single spreadsheet. You can even sort the results with different columns and filter out irrelevant comments. This allows you to send clients an updated document based on their feedback. The key to a reliable side income: you must first impress these mom-and-pop businesses in order for them to accept and acquire your work. Nevertheless, you must not over-deliver. If you want to keep making money, allow for improvements and upkeep in your work. As a result, they will continue to request updates, giving you the opportunity to earn additional money. For example, a modest rental business may expand by adding additional types of properties and clients needing spreadsheet changes. Naturally, There will be times when no maintenance or updates are necessary. Nevertheless, this will occur in waves.